Welcome to the channel. I've got a restoration project to do. I've got an early 50s GE refrigerator I'm going to restore. The thing actually works. I had it plugged in about 3 or 4 days in my shop and it was holding a constant 36-degree temperature. Let's take a look at this thing. It's actually in nice shape. It's got a lot of surface rust coming through, so I'm going to get it all taken apart, take care of the rust, and repaint it. And everything is still in here. All the trays are in here, the glass is in here, the drawers, freezer, everything works. I'll replace the seals on the door. I'm going to start on this thing and get it taken apart. This is one of the neatest things on this refrigerator. An Art Deco style lettering on here. I'm using all the original insulation here. This stuff is really dense. It fits nice. There's 2 layers to everything, and everything overlaps. There's no seams that are open. And I probably will add a little bit more around this top edge once I got the box in. Okay, this fridge is all done. I got moved into our basement. Let's take a look inside. Now originally, this plastic trim around this frame and the hinges, it was a gray. And I chose a darker gray to refinish these. I think it just gives a little bit of contrast with all the white. Plus it almost picture frames this opening. And it's a beautiful looking fridge. They don't make stuff like this anymore. I think that really helped the looks of it. I replaced the gaskets on the door. They were all falling apart. And I rewired the whole thing. It had the old contact point starter relay for the compressor. And I upgraded to a new electronic one. This inside door liner has been painted. Also, the guy I got this refrigerator from had one of the original ice trays. He said there used to be two and he doesn't know what happened to the other one, but I have one. It's made by Maid of Honor, Auto Cube. And I found another one on Etsy I ordered. That should be showing up. That way I'll have a pair of them. Once I had it all built in my barn, I run it for 3-4 days and it runs perfect. I used automotive paint on this refrigerator. Now, if you're interested in the paint process, that's on my other channel. It's an auto body repair channel. I'll put the link to that video down below. So if you like this video, remember, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. Thanks for watching.